This is the Brunswick fan. It was designed for industrial spaces, so these great vintage industrial looks. There's a fluting on the housing and the blade iron that in this room takes on a completely different look. In this tropical space, it almost resembles caning or bamboo and really takes on a fun new personality in this space. It comes with a pre-installed, pre-paired remote that helps you reverse the fan just by holding down the fan button on it. So you don't have to get up on a ladder and click the reverse switch when it's time to reverse your fan for the winter time. The Brunswick, just like the Bennett, has a lot of lighting options. You can get it in a globe or a multi-arm. So really this fan, if you fall in love with it, you can put it in every room in your house.